Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina, in case you don't know me, and today I want to talk about beauty hacks that actually work. I have tried all of them and all of them work. Please leave me down in the comments if you have any beauty hack that actually works. So yeah, let's start. The first one is to use coconut oil in your hair. Okay, so I wash my hair 2 times a week, and every night before I'm going to put a lot of coconut oil in my hair and I'm going to sleep with it the whole night, and that's going to hydrate your hair. It's going to leave it very shiny and looking healthy for a long time. I don't care what anyone says. I have tried this, I've used this for a long time, and it works wonders in your hair. You know what? Just try it and let me know what you think after you've done it a few times. My second beauty hack is actually very simple, but it works better than anything. It is to use dry shampoo between washes, but here's the thing. Don't use the dry shampoo when your hair is already oily. If you know that tomorrow is going to be the day that you're going to have to use the dry shampoo, put it in the roots of your hair and go to bed like this. So use it the night before, go to bed with the dry shampoo in your roots. Try to not massage it a lot, just leave it there to do its magic overnight, and I promise you it's going to be way better in the morning than if you use it when your hair is already oily. My third hack is to use ointment, and that one that you put in the lips. It could be Lana lips, it could be Dr. Pawpaw, whatever you use in your lips, and use it in your cuticles as well. That's going to make your fingers be so much prettier and your nails are going to be a lot healthier. So every time you apply a little bit of lip balm, just put it in your cuticles and it's going to make your hands be super pretty. The next hack is very simple. Use aloe vera gel in your pimples and it's going to make it heal a lot faster. Just keep in mind that if you just popped your pimple and you have like an actual scab there, don't use it right away because you can get infected. Don't apply anything there, but when it's closed, apply a little bit of aloe there and it's going to heal a lot faster and it's going to stop hurting. Trust me on this one. And speaking of pimples, this one is very simple. Change your pillowcases more often. Most of the people change their bed like once every 2 weeks or something like that. Change your pillowcases way more often than that because your face is like this in your pillow all night, and just bacteria and like skincare and all of those gross things can get collected there, and then it can appear pimples and things like that in your face that you don't want, and you can just avoid this by changing your pillowcase more often. That is all, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know down in the comments if you try any of these and it works for you. And see you in the next one. Bye!